Hi, Ellie here, and today I just want to talk quickly about how impressed I am with the Ninja. Not only does it cook evenly all round, and I don't mind that I can't see it cooking, I think it's really been a game changer for me. I wasn't expecting the outcomes that I got from this oven, and I'll explain why. It says on the box that it cooks at 370 Celsius, but I'm getting stone temperatures of 420, and at one point, I didn't catch it on camera, but it went to 427 Celsius at the center of the stone. So when I bought the oven, it was a compromise that I would get a slightly cooler stone, but have the convenience of having an electric oven that does other things. You don't need to turn it. It cooks at 420 Celsius on my stone in the center in 2 minutes. And every pizza's coming out really good. So I think that the only thing that you can get wrong is the timing of the oven. Like leaving it in too long, like I did slightly on my first one. Just gonna, it's saying press start, and I've got the stone to 400 and wow, even higher than last time. 420 it registered just then, and then it went to 412. So that's perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these pellets in here now. And put these in the little opening. Like that. Press Woodfire, press start. Got a basic cheese pizza just to test it out. So it's 137 on there, maybe. Okay. Start. Yep. I think it's on. Okay. Done. Done. Stop. Wow. Again, it's like I can't get over it. It's just, oh, honestly, I can't get over how it does it. It's just great. I've never known anything as easy as this to make pizza, and it cooks all the way round. It just doesn't cook one side. That's the thing, and I didn't turn it. And the price point of this oven is really good. Right, let's try that bit. I can't taste the smoky pellets because I don't think they even smoked. It was just so fast. I cooked my blocked mozzarella. I say the word cheese and my doggy walks in, he loves cheese. If I compared the pictures of the pizzas that come out of my other ovens, which are gas-fired and wood-fired, I just can't tell the difference. And it's kept the crust and everything all moist as well because it's cooked so fast. It just doesn't look like an electric oven cook. I'm really pleased I bought this oven. I could have been put off by the temperature of 370 and not thinking that would cook the base properly, but it's hitting 420, so if that's putting you off, don't let that put you off. I'm going to try that bit there. Look at that. That bit there. From now on, I'm going to be cooking. I'm going to be using it to cook all the other things. I'm eager to use the smoker and see how it does the pulled pork. Can't wait for that. And it warmed up so fast, I wasn't ready. This is the easiest way to make pizza, and for it to come out looking like the gas and wood-fired oven pizza. 10 out of 10 again, Ninja. 10 out of 10. I've been 10 minutes taste testing my other pizza, and I'm out here and this oven is still 412, so I can go straight in now and make a pizza. I think because I haven't turned it off, I still think it's keeping its temperature, so 10 minutes is at, yeah, it is. So I'm going to go and make my pizza now, and I'm going to do another one because I want to test it out, but I'm not sure about that my wood fire flavor thing. Anyway, I'm going to go make my other pizza. I came out 5 minutes ago and it was at 427 in the center of the stone. Yeah, it's going up really fast, but it was a lot hotter than that. Anyway, let's put this in. Oh my gosh, I nearly did it again. I did that a few months ago in the vault and it flipped off the... And I've got the base. Look at that. On the crust. All the way around, bubbles all the way around. Just cooked it perfectly. I'm amazed about with this oven is the fact that it cooks it like there and there. Is wicked. I wish they would do a version of this for indoors. That would be brilliant. You know, just the pizza bit. That would be really good. Perfect. And I'm really excited about it going forward because it wasn't what I expected, and I bought it on a whim. I saw that it was good value. I like the idea of smoking food over the summer, so if it can nail the pizza, which it has, I'm happy with that. The only thing I have to worry about with the oven, because I can't see it cooking, is the time. Just make sure that you've got you don't overcook it, because it cooks really fast. By the time you've got your peel and you've just shut the door, it's not long before you're opening it and you've got a perfect pizza in front of you. Found that the longer the heat up time was, the better the stone temperature. So I didn't look at the instructions on how long to heat it up. I think it heats up really fast. I left it on longer so I could get a higher heat. I used a Gosney laser thermometer to monitor the stone temperature because it's a good brand and I think it's reliable. So I used that, so it's pretty much accurate in my opinion. First cooks in this oven for pizza. It's a game changer for me. I'm just flabbergasted at how it can cook perfectly all the way around. I hadn't bought any Ninja products before, so this is the first one I've bought, and I can't wait to cook more pizza in it, test it out, see how it cooks calzone, and other dishes like that. But it was a good price and it did lots of things I knew I would use. Thanks for watching. I'll keep you posted on my cooking progress in this oven. Subscribe if you like these videos, and I'll see you soon. Bye.